everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today's video, I'm going to be diving into the new Anastasia Beverly Hills and Carli Bybel palettes. I'm super excited to try this palette out with you guys today and create this look right here. I really love the palette and I would love to show you guys how I create this look. So if you'd like to see how to create it, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. So for today's video, I'm super excited because I just got this new palette in which I've been waiting for and I'm so thrilled. Anastasia Beverly Hills is one of my all-time favorite brands and Carli Bybel is one of my favorite YouTubers. So them coming together is so exciting. Packaging, I know, is something that is super important to Carli Bybel as it is to myself. I did study marketing and I'm obsessed with packaging and I love this packaging. It is just to die for. Inside you'll see how pretty the shades are. They're just gorgeous. So pretty. Just really nice. Just gorgeous colors. She really did take her time to choose colors that we can really use every single day. This is not a palette that has extreme colors or vibrant colors or colors that you're just not wearable. These are really colors that you can take from day to night. But for today, we're going to be focusing on the blue tones over here. So what we're going to be doing first is I'm going to be using some foundation for my base. So I'm actually going to be using a lot of collaborations that Carli Bybel has done recently, meaning I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills as well as the El Maquillage collaboration that she just came out with as well. And for foundation, we're going to be using the El Maquillage Flawless Base Foundation. This is the Woke Up Like This foundation. I'm in the shade 145. So this is the foundation right here. It's a really good one. You can test that for 14 days and if you like it, you can get it. If not, you can send it back. So I'm going to just use about 2 pumps on the back of my hand. And for this part, I'm going to just fast forward it because it's not about the foundation. I want to get to the palette. But I will be applying this foundation all over my face. Okay, so now that the foundation is done, I'm going to just quickly set my foundation with the Fit Me by Maybelline. I'm in the shade 320, which is Natural Tan. And this is just the matte and poreless powder. So I'm going to just set all over my face with the powder. Okay, so now that my base is done, I'm going to be going ahead and diving into the palettes. So once again, this is the Carli Bybel and Anastasia Beverly Hills collaboration. It's a super gorgeous palette. The colors are just amazing. So to start, I'm going to be going into the color Bybel, which is this shade right here. It's a really pretty mauve shade. So I'm just going to take a blending brush. This is by Sigma. This is the Blending E25 brush. So this is the small one right here that they actually sent me with a PR package. So I'm going to be taking the color Bybel, tapping off the excess powder, and applying that right at the crease. This color alone is one that I could see myself using every single day. It's so pretty. So next I'm going to go into Bowie, and that's the shade that's right over here. It's this really nice brown, almost greenish tone, but I feel like it'll look really pretty with the blue next to it. So I'm going to use the same brush and just grab some of Bowie, tap off the excess, and I'm going to apply this at the outer edge of the eye. Okay, just like that. So now that that's done, I'm going to be taking I'm actually going to take the brush that comes with it. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. She always has brushes in her palette, which I can really appreciate because sometimes some palettes don't include a brush and then you have to buy one separately and it's a really big pain in the butt. Okay, so I'm going to be going into the color Jody, and Jody is the color right here. Super pretty, kind of shimmery, gray, blue, really nice shade. So I'm going to be taking the larger blending set of the brush, dipping into Jody, tapping off the excess, and then applying that to the center crease. Wow, that is stunning. I was not expecting that to be so bold. It's really pretty. So I'm going to apply it to the center and bring it in, just like that. Wow, it's really nice. Now I'm going to go into the blending brush and then just blend it upward and outward. So I want to add a bit more of the colors that I lost a little bit by adding the Jody shade. So I'm going to be taking Bybel once again, tapping off the excess and applying it right over top. And same on the other side. And then I'm going to take that clean blending brush and just blend it all out. And again, to intensify the brown shade that we had put on before, the color Bowie, I'm going to take a bit more of that as well. And just apply it to the outer edge of the eye. Okay, so now that that's applied onto the eyes, what I'm going to be going in with now is I'm actually going to take my finger and I'm going to take the shade OA. OA is this amazing shade. I'm actually going to show you guys where it is in the palette. So it's the shade right here. OA is the shade right here, really, really pretty. I'm going to take my ring finger, go into this shade. It's a really nice pressed glitter shade. It's gorgeous, look at that. So, so pretty. So I'm going to apply that right onto my lid. Wow, that is amazing. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a shader brush. This is by Morphe. This is the M508 brush. I'm going to take the shade Bowie once again, and I'm going to apply that to my lower lash line. Okay, I'm going to apply it pretty thick because I do want it to really stand out on the bottom. I want to get that nice kind of smoky effect. Okay, just like that, so you can really see the difference. It just really pops. Okay, so once again, I'm taking the shade Bowie, tapping off the excess and going right on the lower lash line. So I think I'm gonna take the color Moo, which is this really, really pretty gold shade right here. I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm going to apply the color Moo in the inner tear duct of the eye. So just right in the center here. Yeah, I really like how that looks. And this is really pretty because it's not too much of a highlight, but it really does add a nice pop. Okay, and I think just to add a bit more pop, because why not? I really want to play with the palette. I'm going to take the shade My Angels, which again is a nice gold shade, but it's kind of like a deeper mustard kind of gold. It's really, really pretty. So I'm going to take that shade and just add it on the center. It really just adds a bit more depth, so I really like it. So pretty. I love that. Okay, so now I'm going to add some mascara. For mascara today, I'm going to be using my favorite right now, which is the Honest Beauty mascara. So this is it right here. Really, really great mascara. I'm going to use this side to prime my lashes. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bronze up my face. I'm going to be using the Tarte, the Hotel Heiress bronzer. So I'm going to be taking this, just adding some bronzer to be able to bronze up my skin, but also contour a little bit. For highlight today, I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty. This is the Hustler Baby highlight. Take some of that and apply it. I love it. I love the blues and purples, and I feel like now for like the holiday season, this is great. If you don't want to do like the traditional golds and silver and red, like just add a pop of purple and blue, and this is just gorgeous. So last but not least for today is lips. So I'm going to be using the Carli Bybel and Il Makiage collaboration. So first up is the lip pencil, and this is in the shade Luna. This is a really pretty kind of brown shade. I'll show you guys all together. Then we have the lipstick, and this is Libra. Let's swatch this for you guys. I haven't used this one yet at all, so I'm super excited to wear it today. So smooth, so velvety, really, really great. And then this is the lip gloss in Twilight. So the set is just amazing. I love that she came out with different shades and different, you know, kind of like a whole set for each color. It's really, really nice. So this is all three of them, and this is what they look like. So that's the lip pencil, the actual lipstick, and the lip gloss. So, so pretty. So I'm gonna apply that onto my lips now. So I'm first gonna go in again with the lip pencil Luna. So now that the lip pencil's on, I'm going to be going in with the lipstick Libra. So this lipstick alone would go really pretty with it, but I really just want to add a gloss to kind of just tie the whole look together. So again, I'm going to be going in with the gloss Twilights. So last but not least for today, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever. This is the Mist and Fix Hydrating Setting Spray. It's one of my absolute favorites. I'm going to just spray my face with this. And then always keep a fan nearby. A nice little Barcelona one that was gifted to me, which I love. And just mix it down. Okay everybody, so this is the final result. I'm super excited with how this look came out. I absolutely love the colors in the Carli Bybel palette, and as well as the colors for the Il Makiage lipstick. I had never used this shade before and this color combo, and I'm loving it. I feel like it's a really good shade, and as she did explain in her videos, these are colors that you can, put more pressure on or less pressure on to really create that look that you're going for, as well as to go with your skin tone. These eyeshadows blended out like a dream. There was no fallout for the glitter ones especially, and I thought that was really amazing and really just, spectacular, because usually you put glitter on and I have all this fallout and then you gotta just like fix it up or fix up the face, but I had no fallout. And applying it with your fingers cannot be easier. I'm just like looking at it, and I really, really love the shades. I feel like she did a great job putting together this palette for Anastasia Beverly Hills for all of us. And I'm really excited for more looks to come. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up to support my channel, subscribe down below, and until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.